Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to obtain Paradise Egg in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new summer camp event. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, the new summer camp event has arrived in Grow a Garden. And basically, this event is very simple. We just need to burn our fruits and plants to keep the campfire alive. And we can do crafting, guys, right here on the crafting bench. And from here, you can craft the paradise egg. Okay, this one. And to craft the paradise egg, you need to reach tier 5. So there are a total of 5 tiers in this event, and to reach tier 5, I would like to recommend you to work with your friends to reach the tier 5 faster. And once you reach the tier 5, you'll be able to craft this paradise egg, and you need a mythical egg, grandmaster sprinkler, gold ingot, and also 100 million shekels. And these are the possible paths from the paradise egg. So this is the same egg with the last year summer update, guys, in Grow a Garden. And the rarest pet is the Mimic Octopus, with only 1% chance to hatch. And now I'm crafting the this paradise egg, but I need to reach tier 5 first because the campfire now is at the tier 1. So I need to keep burning my fruits and my plants to reach tier 4. I mean tier 5. Okay guys, and that's how we can obtain the paradise egg in Grow a Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.